Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use FaceTime audio on iPhone so you can make clear voice calls using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now let's get started. First, find the FaceTime app on your iPhone and open it. It usually comes pre-installed and has a green icon with a white video camera. Next, tap New FaceTime at the top of the screen to begin a new call. This lets you search for someone to connect with using FaceTime. Now type the person's name, phone number, or email in the search bar. Make sure they also have FaceTime enabled to receive the call. Once their contact shows up, tap the audio button, which looks like a phone icon. This will start a FaceTime audio call instead of a video call. You can also use the Contacts app to make a FaceTime audio call. Open the Contacts apps, then, just open the person's contact card, tap the FaceTime icon, and then choose the audio option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.